Hi, Todd from Renville Sales. We're here to introduce a new product that we're handling. This is the Fuel Hog fuel trailer, built right here in central Minnesota. But you got the Fuel Hog trailer here. It is a 7-gauge tank. Does have the baffles in the center of the tank. There's 2 baffles in here. We've got 2 7,000-pound axles with 10-ply radial tires. We're running a GPI pump system that's 25 gallons per minute. This particular model is a 990, so 990 gallons. It does have a 18-foot fuel hose on this one. This one is also set up with a 45-gallon DEF tank. So for the guys that are needing DEF, we've got a 45-gallon tank, and then that'll have its own individual pump right up in the toolbox here, and that's an 8-gallon per minute pump. Comes all self-contained. It has the 12-volt deep cycle battery. There's a charging system on here for the battery, so you can charge that in the off times. Lockable toolbox on here. Built right here in central Minnesota. Very good quality trailer, good frame, and like I mentioned, 7-gauge tank, and even the fenders and the flares and everything are all built out of 7-gauge steel as well. So it's going to be durable and it's going to stand up for you on your farm.
Hi, I'm Joe with Fuel Hog Trailers, and I wanted to give you a little insight of our trailers that we build and kind of how we came about. Part of a small farm operation myself, and I saw that there was a need for, safe and reliable fuel transporting for farm use, and so we decided to build a really nice, good quality fuel trailer. Our highlighted areas are just, partnering with some of the industry leaders and their components. From the foundation up, we started with Dexter axles, heavy 7-gauge tank steel walls, partnered with GPI and their pumps. They make great pumps, and then kept it simple but able to offer other features like our 45-gallon DEF tank. That's all self-contained, where we have it in our toolbox, where we can offer the DEF, the auto nozzle, a hose, Group 27 on board, so you have plenty of power supply to get multiple tanks of fuel pumped before you need a charging. But we do have an onboard battery charge system. When we do our manufacturing, we do everything in Holdingford, Minnesota, and everything's under one roof, where we do all of our steel fabrication, our sandblasting, our painting, which is actually a powder coat, and we use a really nice gray hammer tone finish for our trailers, and we have other options with aluminum wheels, the reels again, and the DEF feature as we build our fuel trailers.